How to fix the error code Marmot in Destiny 2. So what you want to do is head over to your Steam, go to library, and then in Destiny 2, right click it, go to properties, go to the installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. Now if this error code persists, you should click browse, and this will open up the game location. And you should delete every single file except the packages file. And then once you've done that, you can click verify integrity of game files and repair the game again. And there we go. I hope this fixed this error for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.